Hey guys, this is Mrs. Fierro. So today I wanted to show you some of the databases really quickly, and I'm going to go over each database individually and show you some of the features for that database. So the free databases are located on the library website, and you just click on free online databases, and that will take you to the California State Library. These databases, like I said, are free. So scroll down and you can see we have ProQuest, we have teaching books, and we have Encyclopedia Britannica. So like I said, I'm going to go over each of these other ones individually later, but today I'm going to talk about Encyclopedia Britannica. Notice they have individual levels: elementary, middle, high, and escolar, which is in Spanish. So let's start with Britannica School High. Click there. And you can see there's a search bar up here. So you can, if you have a topic that you're looking for, or there's also facts or news and updated information here. Also notice that they have U.S. primary resources for if you're doing anything about history, and New York Times, some news there. All right, so as an example, I'm just going to do cells like you're studying in biology. And so I'm going to do a search up in the top here. Click enter, and it will come up with some different options. So the first thing I want you guys to notice is, so here, cell, if you're doing biology, notice that there are images, videos, a dictionary, magazines, web's best sites, some primary sources and ebooks, and other things on the left-hand side. So let's start with the article. Just click on it there, and it will open the article. Now, on the left-hand side, it will show you some different sections about what it talks about, and still with articles and web's best sites that you can click at. On the top, images and videos is here, as well as related. As you read the article, you can see there are pictures, and there are different sections of videos, and all of these blue words are vocabulary, so you can click on those for vocabulary. Couple features I want to show you guys. One thing is there's a reading level. So let's say you're reading this and you're like, it's a little difficult, or maybe you're not understanding it quite as clearly. You can go back to reading level 1, and so it kind of starts a little more basic summary. You can read that there. Then you can try reading level 2 and reading level 3. So there are 3 different reading levels. Now, the thing is that every article in Encyclopedia Britannica might not have 1, 2, and 3. It might just be 2 and 3. So it just depends on what subject you're reading about. All right, on the upper right-hand corner, you've got Send To. That means you can save this article in your Google Drive, which I highly recommend. I hope by this point that you have created folders for each of your classes in your Google Drive. And if you do that, when you save this article, you can throw it into your science folder. You can favorite it, you can print it, and this is a super important part. So check this out. Remember, anytime you're doing research or you're getting facts and information or pictures from the internet, you need to cite your sources. So Britannica is really cool because you click this button and it will bring up the citation for you. Make sure it's an MLA, unless your teacher tells you differently, which you can then change it. And all you have to do is copy and paste this into your works cited page. So remember, you have your citations right here. So make sure you get those into your paper if you're writing any sort of research article. You can translate it into other languages. So if you wanted to click any language, you can then read it from there. There's so many languages to choose from, so it's pretty cool. Okay, and it will change it there. All right, so you can change the article into a different language, translate it, and the other cool thing is it will also read the article to you. So let me refresh this page real quick. All right, up here where the little microphone is, or the speaker, you're going to want to go ahead and click that.
Introduction. Cell, in biology, the basic membrane-bound unit that contains the fundamental molecules of life and of...
So yeah, the voice is a little wacky, but if you want to hear it, that's fine. easy enough. You can increase the size of the font to make it a little easier to read, or decrease the size of the font. So this is Britannica School. You can look up different topics here. You can look at pictures. Let me show you saving a picture. You can click on that, right click, and save that image. Okay, so you can save that image into your Google Drive folder, and then that way if you're writing a paper, doing a PowerPoint, you can add those pictures in there. But also don't forget to cite your source, and it still has it for pictures as well. All right, that's the basics for Britannica School. You can go through here, you can find many topics. So it doesn't matter if it's science, history, art, anything like that. You can explore biographies on this day, in their words, science and pictures. So highly encourage you to explore this website, see what academic sources you can find that pertain to your research topic, and use those, and make sure to cite your sources. All right, have a good day. If you have any questions, make sure you guys email me. All right.